Animals are all around and we love them a lot. And sometimes they become a part of our family. So, hallo liebe Freunde, hello dear friend. Ich heiße Ananya und Sie lernen German mit Ananya. My name is Ananya and you are learning German with Ananya. And today we will learn animals' name in German language. So, let's study. First of all, animal in German is called as das Tier. Once again, das Tier. Great. So, how you will call cow in German language? It will be die Kuh. Noch einmal, die Kuh. Dog will be der Hund. Once again, der Hund. Cat will be die Katze. Noch einmal, die Katze. Deer will be der Hirsch. Noch einmal, der Hirsch. Lion will be der Löwe. Once again, der Löwe. Tiger will be der Tiger. Once again, der Tiger. Zebra will be das Zebra. Once again, das Zebra. Pig will be das Schwein. Once again, das Schwein. Elephant will be der Elefant. Once again, der Elefant. Great. So, welches Tier is dein Lieblingstier? Which animal is your favorite animal? Which is welcher dein is your Lieblingstier is favorite animal? So, welches Tier ist dein Lieblingstier? Bitte schreiben Sie in the Kommentare box. Please write in the comment box. So, birds. Birds are small, specific and beautiful creatures of this world. And today, I will teach you birds' name in German language. So, let's study. First of all, how do birds in German language called? Bird is der Vogel. Once again, der Vogel. Let's begin. So, pigeon will be die Taube. Once again, die Taube. Sparrow will be der Spatz. Once again, der Spatz. Peacock will be der Pfau. Once again, der Pfau. Owl will be die Eule. Once again, die Eule. Hen will be das Huhn. Once again, das Huhn. Duck will be die Ente. Noch einmal, die Ente. Crow will be die Krähe. Once again, die Krähe. Eagle will be der Adler. Once again, der Adler. Parrot will be der Papagei. Once again, der Papagei. And ostrich will be der Strauß. Once again, der Strauß. Great. So today you have learned animals and birds' name in German language. So I would request you to repeat them and practice them as much as you can. So see you in the next class. Cheers. Bye.